Hai everyone, mari kita berkunjung ke private jet villa yang belum pernah kamu lihat sebelumnya.
Cut the ties, left it all behind. Toxic people no longer in my mind. I'm on a journey.
I have a jet villa and I will show you my amazing plane. It's a Boeing 737. It's a villa now. Have a living area and also we have two bedrooms, but I will show you a little bit later. First of all, I want to show you this one. This amazing view, 150-meter above sea level, on the cliff, on the edge of the cliff. So beautiful. It's not only pool, it's also jacuzzi there, and also it's hanging out of the cliff, and we have a glass, transparent aquarium wall. Okay, let's go. I show you bedroom. Okay, and here we have the shower. And the toilet, the rare place when you can sit on the toilet and watching ocean. Okay, and wardrobes, and here the sinks for people. Yeah, very beautiful as well. And in from cockpit we make a bedroom and this amazing bathtub. And also as well, all these glasses are smart glasses. They're changing transparency. These two glass we was making open. It's possible to open because I want to have the feeling of fresh air and the view on the ocean just spectacular. And that's why we was making this crazy custom thing happen. And this is beautiful bathtub for the few people stay in. And let's go. I show you other one. We have the chef from Four Seasons, Maldives, what we hire for our place. And let's go to other bedroom. One more bedroom also have here. If you need, we can close the curtain to make it more dark in the night. It's okay, and more private. Also have a smart house system, voice control, everything. What you want and need. Also we have here one more bathtub, and one of our good thing what we keep, it's the door what you can still open like in the real, and it's like it's easy. And here beautiful sea, yeah. And that part you also can take a look like this and enjoying the view.